Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching for today. So today we came back with the 8 another all-in-one mod which will bring you the amazing sound quality output by modifying the system sound parameters of stock OxygenOS Dolby Atmos sound mod. This module has inbuilt OxygenOS optimizer that will provide you amazing long-lasting performance. It will give you an amazing experience along with the screen display color enhancement and the new high-quality O-Haptics vibration motor. If you want such amazing content for your Oneplus or any Android device, make sure to like, hype and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content. Now without further delay, let's get started. Before I show you the requirements and how to install this mod, we'll check out all the three main aspects which this mod is modifying to deliver an exceptional OxygenOS experience for your OnePlus devices. The first one is the performance. I have been continuously reviewing the OxygenOS updates for OnePlus 12 and 11 series. I seriously got frustrated because of the heavy lag on both of OnePlus 11R and 12R. You will find these performance issues repeatedly mentioned in the different videos. Their links are available in the description. So if you are one of those users, this mod will 100% help you. This mod efficiently does the performance and the gaming optimizations. Once you install this mod, it delivers the best experience on your OnePlus device. By game frame rate management, it optimizes the frame generation and stability for high performance games. Next is the system responsiveness. This mod improves the system interaction smoothness, particularly on the foldable devices like Oppo Find N3 and OnePlus Open. This mod provides the high touch responsiveness by adjusting the touch related processes and surface flinger priorities to improve responsiveness, especially on the older hardware. This mod uses some GPU and the thermal management to prevent lagging while balancing the power consumption. So using all of these parameters like frame rate, touch responsiveness, GPU and the thermal management, this mod delivers amazing performance. Next, this mod slightly improves the default O-haptic motor vibration level to deliver the best and balanced haptic feedback. We already uploaded a separate mod video that specially focuses on the O-haptic vibration motor feedback enhancement. Its link is available in the iCard. You can use that mod along with this one too, and both works fine together. Next part of this mod focuses on the Dolby Atmos sound enhancement. This module focuses on the three parameters of the sound to deliver the best sound quality for your OnePlus device. The first one is the speaker improvement, which optimizes the speaker performance including the Dolby sound quality. Next is Dolby management, which add or fix the Dolby sound configuration switching for headphones and speakers, including the fixing the crashes when they enabling the audio effects. And the third one is the Bluetooth optimization. It removes the volume limits for 802p Bluetooth devices. This mod seamlessly works with OnePlus Dolby Atmos or O Reality Engine and delivers the crisp, clear and loud but the balanced stereo sound for both built-in speaker and for Bluetooth audio without the need for the manual changes. Here is a sample of audio playback after applying this mod.
On a new adventure.
Let's check out which OnePlus devices are eligible to use this mod and how to install it. So this is the Magix module named as Hydrostellar. It only works on the rooted OnePlus devices running from the OxygenOS 15 and above versions. This module is specially designed for newer OnePlus devices like OnePlus 13 and above. But I tried it on OnePlus 12R with OxygenOS 16 and it surprisingly worked. So it should work on OnePlus 11 and above series devices as well. You have to just download this module file and flash it via Magix Manager. When flashing starts, you will get the series of different prompts which needs to be selected properly. So watch this part of the video carefully. First prompt will ask you to select the language. To confirm your selection, choose the volume up or down key as needed. So here I selected volume down to choose the English language. Next, it will ask for the environment detection for the proper working of the thermal and audio mode control. So to select yes, press volume up button. You will see this right tick mark, which means this option is selected and the module starts to detect environment safety. Next, it will ask to enable the render optimization, including the surface flinger and system animation optimization. Select volume up to enable this. Next, select volume up to enable the sound effect modification. Also select volume up to enable the low latency audio path. Next, select the volume up to enable the Dolby audio modification. Next, it's recommended to avoid the bass enhancement, so select volume down button to disable this. Next, you will get the prompt to enable the high touch response frequency enhancement for the better touch response, so select volume up to enable this. Next, you will get a new prompt to enable the O-Haptic vibration enhancement. Select volume up to enable this one. Next is very important option which helps with the device automatic optimization to achieve the overall better performance. So select volume up to enable this feature. Next, you will get the prompt to enable the automatic high brightness for outdoor mode. I basically didn't need the high brightness, so I selected volume down to disable this. You can choose as per your requirement. Next is also an important option to choose the variable refresh rate, that is modified LTPO. Enable this because it helps to optimize the device touch responsiveness. Next, select the volume up to enable the video MEMC feature, that is the motion estimation motion compensation feature, which is a video enhancement feature that artificially inserts the extra frame rate into the low frame rate video content to upscale it to the higher frame rate, resulting in the smoother, more vivid motion in the videos and the games. Next, select volume up to enable Iris Helper. Iris Helper is frequently used in the technology for the blue light filtering for eye protection. Next, select volume up for the Pixel Works optimization, which helps to optimize the MEMC and the Iris Helper features. This is the last step and you will get an installation finished message. Now you can reboot your device. After reboot, confirm the Hydrostellar module is activated in the module section. If you get an update here for this specific module, you can download and flash it later the same way we've shown you previously. This module will definitely give your laggy OnePlus device a new flagship level of performance, better haptics, and the new high quality audio. This is all for today guys. Hope you liked our work. Then please do like, hype and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content related to OnePlus and OxygenOS. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.